Hello friends, I am Binu George and this is my second video. If you remember in the first video, we have discussed about those technologies having the capability to redefine the travel in the future. Today, we would like to discuss certain new forms of travel, new forms of tourism. We say it alternative forms of tourism that can redefine the travel in the near future. Please share your feedback. I would also request the industry experts to share their comments as well. Travel, travelers' taste and choice are trending now towards experience, also known as immersion travel, in which travelers focus on an experiencing country, city, or a particular place by actively and meaningfully engaging with its history, people, culture, food, and environment. There are numerous forms of tourism in the industry. Those are being categorized on the traveler's purpose of visit. In the previous video, kindly recall, we have visited the amoeba concept. Reactivation of a tourism cells are very important for the recovery of the global economy. Tourism cells have the ability to reproduce itself and stimulate the economic activities in the surroundings. Even tourism cells can be compared to a snowball tree. The concept says the momentum and the size it gains once activated is amazing. See the momentum and the size it gains once activated. Now, in this session, let us discuss a few alternative forms of tourism that can redefine the future travel. Sustainable or eco-friendly tourism. From its roots in 1980s, ecotourism has become a movement that is catching on. It involves visiting fragile or sensitive natural areas in a way that is a small scale with less impact than mass tourism. Travelers not only seeking to avoid damaging the natural environment, but also aim to make sure that their spending benefits the local people. Well said by Eric Wood, the executive director of World Food Travel Association, that the culinary or the food tourism is an act of traveling for a taste of a place in order to get the sense of the place. As food is an integral part of the cultural experiences, some believe that the food tourism plays an important role in promoting destination marketing. Food is now a main motivation for travelers choosing their destinations. Travelers are spending more time and money on unique food and beverage experiences. Yep, solo tourism is a travel undertaken by a solo person. This person can be either a single or in a relationship. Safety concerns are among the most important barriers to solo travel. If you are a tour operator, you will need to be very clear and very careful about the safety situation at your destination. Better install safety measures and talk about them on your website as much as possible. In fact, you can dedicate a page or area itself to safety. The next one is medical tourism. The first recorded instances of people traveling for medical treatment dates back thousands of years to when Greek pilgrims traveled from the eastern Mediterranean to a small area in, I think, Saronic Gulf called Epiduria. Medical tourism most often is for surgeries, cosmetic or otherwise too, or similar treatments, though people also travel for dental tourism and fertility tourism. Factors that have led to the increasing popularity of medical travel includes the high cost of healthcare and long waiting time for certain procedures in their country, the ease of affordability of international travel, and improvements in both technology and standards of care in many countries like India. See the most exciting and the most adventurous space tourism. This is going to be expensive at the initial stage. There are several different types of space tourisms, including orbital, suborbital, and lunar space, etc. As all of you are aware, to date, orbital space tourism has been promoted or performed only by the Russian space agencies. Work also continues towards developing suborbital space tourism vehicles. This is being done by aerospace companies like Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic. In addition, I think SpaceX, they are an aerospace manufacturer, announced in 2018 that they are planning on sending space tourists. Yes, Space Adventures, a US space tourism company, has booked 2 passenger seats in a Russian Soyuz capsule heading to the International Space Station in 2023. And one of those tourists will take part in the spacewalk. If you look at the man in the yellow circle in the top right image, he is a Kerala-based Indian entrepreneur. Sundar George has paid a whopping US dollars 200,000 and booked a seat in Virgin Galactic Spaceship 2 to become the first Indian space tourist. The ship will take him around 350,000 of feet into the space with 5 other tourists. So we are trying to conclude here. So these are the possible alternative forms of tourism that can redefine the future travel. Well, here I have an interesting scenario for the industry experts. Current trends equally supports the possibility of either a decrease or an increase in the business travelers. One side, when more and more companies doing business with firms across the world, the need to face-to-face meeting to build trustable relationship will increase. On the other side, advancements in the communications, satellite video transmissions, virtual conferencing, mixed reality could slow down the rate of business travels. So I would request the industry experts to share their comments as well. Thank you.